Let's take a moment to look back to February of last year, a moment that captured the imagination of people around the world, especially here in the United States. That's when NASA's Perseverance rover made its historic landing on Mars, a milestone in space exploration that brought us closer than ever to the red planet. The crater we often see in the images from Mars isn't just a barren patch of ground. It was actually a lake about 3.2 billion years ago. That means we're literally looking at the same environment that existed billions of years in the past. Thanks to Perseverance's advanced cameras and cutting-edge technology, it has been sending back some of the most incredible footage ever captured of Mars. The high-definition 4K images allow us to feel as if we're actually standing on the surface of another world. This mission is revealing Mars' ancient terrain in stunning detail and offering new insights about its history and potential to support life. Perseverance builds on the legacy of its predecessor, the Curiosity rover, which also brought us spectacular 4K visuals and helped expand our understanding of the Martian environment. Both rovers have pushed the boundaries of space exploration, showcasing how far technology has come in helping us explore places far beyond Earth. But you might be wondering, why is NASA spending billions of dollars for what seems like just a bunch of pictures? The truth is, these images are far more than just beautiful snapshots. They are powerful scientific tools that help researchers unlock the secrets of Mars. To understand their full importance, it's helpful to look at how NASA's Mars missions have evolved over the years and the impact these rovers have had on our knowledge of the planet. NASA has been sending robotic explorers to Mars for over 2 decades. Each mission has introduced more sophisticated equipment, allowing us to learn more than ever before. The first major rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, launched back in 2003, were designed to search for signs of water in Mars' past. Their findings confirmed what scientists had long suspected, that Mars once had conditions that could have supported life. These early missions set the stage for Curiosity, which landed on Mars in 2012. Curiosity's mission took exploration to a whole new level, landing in Gale Crater, an area rich with geological diversity. It sent back detailed images and data about Mars' climate, geology, and habitability, opening a new chapter in our understanding of the planet. Then, in 2021, Perseverance arrived on Mars equipped with state-of-the-art instruments designed to search for biosignatures or signs of ancient life, and to collect samples for eventual return to Earth. Its mission is not just to explore, but to prepare for the future of Mars, exploration, and potential human missions. Through their powerful lenses, these rovers have offered humanity an unprecedented glimpse into Mars, showing us its landscapes and sending back images that bring the red planet to life. Curiosity's journey began with its launch from Cape Canaveral in November 2011. After traveling roughly 350 million miles, it touched down safely on Mars in August 2012. The landing site, Gale Crater, is a flat region near the towering Mount Sharp, which rises over 5.5 kilometers high. Curiosity was tasked with investigating Mars' climate, geology, and potential to support microbial life in the past. Gale Crater was carefully chosen because of its diverse geology and strong evidence that water once flowed there, making it an ideal laboratory for studying Mars' history. One of the key objectives of the Curiosity mission was to detect elements essential for life, such as carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur, in Martian soil and atmosphere. The rover also sought signs of biological activity by looking for biosignatures or biomolecules that might indicate past life. Additionally, it analyzed the composition of rocks and soil to better understand the geological processes that have shaped the Martian surface over billions of years. One of Curiosity's most important tools was its chemistry camera, which used a laser to vaporize small bits of rock and analyze the resulting plasma to determine their chemical makeup. This helped scientists trace the history of water and volcanic activity on Mars. Curiosity also studied the current Martian atmosphere, focusing on the cycling of water and carbon dioxide, which are crucial for understanding the planet's climate evolution. These observations have been key to piecing together how Mars transformed from a warmer, wetter world into the cold, dry planet we see today. The data gathered by Curiosity also has implications for future efforts to prepare Mars for human exploration, or even terraforming, modifying the planet to support human life. Another significant part of Curiosity's mission was to measure surface radiation. Mars lacks a protective magnetic field like Earth's, so radiation from cosmic rays and solar particles poses a major risk to future astronauts. By studying this radiation, Curiosity provided vital information to help scientists plan for safe, human missions to Mars. One of the rover's groundbreaking discoveries came in 2013, when it found evidence of an ancient stream bed in Gale Crater, confirming that liquid water once flowed there. It also detected clay minerals, which only form in the presence of water, providing strong evidence that Mars once had an environment capable of supporting life. Curiosity's analysis of methane in the Martian atmosphere has offered intriguing clues about possible biological or geological activity beneath the surface. Methane can be produced by living organisms, but also by non-living geological processes, so understanding its origin is a key area of research. Alongside these scientific findings, Curiosity has transformed how we visualize Mars. Using its mast, camera, and other imaging systems, it has sent back some of the most iconic and breathtaking images of the Martian surface. The red rocky terrain, ancient weathered landscapes, towering mountains, and deep valleys all come alive in its high-resolution photos. Perseverance is now carrying this work forward, shaping the future of space exploration. Its first test drive on Mars in March 2021 left the very first wheel tracks on the planet's surface, a small but historic step. Beyond just exploring, Perseverance is collecting rock and soil samples that will be brought back to Earth by future missions. These samples could provide answers about Mars' past and its potential to harbor life, something we've only dreamed about until now. The Perseverance mission has already led to some exciting discoveries. One of them involves leopard spots on a Martian rock, which may hold clues about Mars' ability to support life billions of years ago. Beyond the science, this mission has inspired people around the globe. NASA's Send Your Name to Mars campaign attracted more than 10 million names, which were etched onto microchips aboard the rover, symbolizing humanity's collective curiosity and passion for space. The mission also honored healthcare workers during the COVID-19 pandemic with a commemorative plate attached to the rover. A hidden coded message on Perseverance's parachute reads, "Dare mighty things," a phrase that has become synonymous with NASA's bold and ambitious goals. We also have some incredible fresh images from Mars, thanks to Perseverance. One of the most famous photos is the Octavia E. Butler landing shot from February 2021, which captures the rover's dramatic descent with dust and smoke billowing from its descent stage. Another image, taken by the rear right hazard avoidance camera, offers a clear view of the rocky terrain ahead, helping the rover avoid obstacles. A captivating photo taken on the rover's 213th Martian day shows the parachute and back shell, lying on a ridge about 2 kilometers north of where Perseverance currently rests. The first color photo from the rover provides a vibrant, detailed look at Mars's reddish surface, rocks, and dust. Panoramic shots taken after Perseverance's first long drive reveal the vast, rugged Martian landscape stretching as far as the eye can see. Other images include an aerial shot of Perseverance taken by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter and some unique reciprocal photos capturing Perseverance and the small helicopter Ingenuity from each other's perspective. Ingenuity's flight marked one of the most significant achievements in aerospace history, the first controlled flight on another planet. It took place in April 2021 at a site now known as Wright Brothers Field on Mars. Ingenuity has also provided video and audio from its flights, including a stunning aerial view during its fourth flight in late April 2021. In August 2021, Ingenuity spotted Perseverance during its 11th flight, offering a rare aerial glimpse of the rover from above. All these visuals continue to deepen our understanding of Mars and mark milestones in space exploration. They inspire new generations to dream big and remind us of the power of human curiosity and ingenuity. For those of us who have watched space exploration evolve over the decades, these missions are thrilling reminders that the next great adventure is still unfolding, one rover and one picture at a time.